Hi everybody, welcome to this evening's edition of ePrime. I'm Daedran. Sister Nancy's Bam Bam Gold in the UK. The track recently achieved a gold certification by the British Phonographic Industry after surpassing 400,000 units in the UK. Bam Bam was a last-minute addition to Sister Nancy's 1982 album, 1-2, which was recorded at the famed Channel One studio in Kingston. 9 years ago, American rapper Jay-Z sampled the song in his recording of Bam, which was included on his 2017 album 444. The song charted at number 93 in the United Kingdom and numbers 47 and 21 on the Billboard Hot 100 and Hot R&B Hip Hop Songs charts, respectively. Now, on the international scene, Dua Lipa suing Samsung for $15 million. According to legal papers filed on Friday in the United States District Court for the Central District of California, the complaint relates to the use of a photograph of the British singer on cardboard packaging for Samsung television sets sold across the U.S. without her consent. The filing stated that the Grammy Award winner did not enter into an agreement with Samsung to allow the company to use her likeness, but that the TV boxes suggested that she had done so and allowed the company to benefit from the capitalizing on the implied association with Ms. Lipa as a sponsor of Samsung's mass-marketed television sets. According to the filing, Lipa's attorneys allege Samsung had refused to comply with Ms. Lipa's repeated demands that it cease and desist from using her image on the boxes. Now, two members of Miami law enforcement are suing Matt Damon and Ben Affleck's production company, Artists Equity. Jonathan Santana and Jason Smith allege that the Netflix film, The Rip, damages their reputations. The movie mirrors the 2016 Miami Lakes drug case, the largest cash seizure in South Florida's history. Santana and Smith are credited with solving the case when they worked for the former Miami-Dade Police Department. Their attorney says the film makes them look like dirty cops. Santana says it falsely implies that they stole money involved in the case. The lawsuit also contends that they should have been consultants in the film. Now, Hollywood will soon be giving Miley Cyrus her flowers. Cyrus will be honored with a star on the Hollywood Walk of Fame later this month. Actress Anna Taylor-Joy and fashion designer Donatella Versace are expected to speak at the ceremony. Some of the Grammy Award winner's biggest hits include Wrecking Ball and Flowers. Cyrus rose to stardom on the TV show Hannah Montana. And that's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.